Wondering how to check website speed metrics for technical SEO? Fast websites don't just make users happy. They help Google crawl your site faster. When pages load quickly, search bots can index more content efficiently. This improves crawl efficiency in Google Search Console, indexing of important pages, user engagement and conversions, mobile experience. A slow site slows down crawling, increases bounce rates, and can hurt rankings. In technical SEO, speed is a core factor that affects both users and search engines. Here's the roadmap. Go to Google and search for the website speed tests. And here's the long list of speed testing tools. Use these free tools to test your site. Google Page Speed Insights shows mobile and desktop scores, core web vitals, and optimization tips. GTmetrix, detailed load time and waterfall chart analysis. Web page test, tests from different locations and browsers. Lighthouse and Chrome dev tools, performance, SEO, and best practice audits. Want better SEO, faster performance, and happier users? The first step is to check your website speed. Slow sites increase bounce rates and hurt conversions. Even a 1-second delay matters. Use these free tools to test your site. Google Page Speed Insights shows mobile and desktop scores, core web vitals, and optimization tips. GTmetrix, detailed load time and waterfall chart analysis. Web page test, tests from different locations and browsers. Lighthouse and Chrome dev tools, performance, SEO, and best practice audits. Website speed metrics on the GTmetrix. Let's check our website SEO Squad on GTmetrix, as we check her earlier and again messes with the report, but here we go again. Let's take a look at a GTmetrix report. It gives you a clear picture how your website is performing, from the overall performance grade to metrics like cumulative blocking time and other key speed indicators. These numbers show exactly how fast your site loads, how stable it is, and where improvements are needed to give your visitors the best experience. Performance score tells you your overall website speed from 0 to 100. Higher is better. A score above 90 is considered excellent. Here you can see the speed visualization, starting with TTFB, which shows how quickly the server responds. Ours is 188 milliseconds. Then FCP, first contentful paint, when the first text or image appears, followed by LCP, largest contentful paint, for the main content, and finally the time to interact, which tells you how fast your site reacts to clicks or taps. Fully load time is 3s. Page size is the total weight of your page, including images, code, and scripts. Smaller pages load faster, ideally under 2 megabytes. Number of requests counts how many files your site loads, images, CSS, JS. Fewer requests improve loading speed. Try to keep it under 50 requests for optimal performance. Reducing CSS, JS. Images are good to reduce the page requests. You can see yourself. As you can see, the JavaScript is very heavy, and this can be reduced for much faster page speed. Now we are checking the DOM, CLS, and other things. FCP, first contentful paint, measures how fast the first text or image appears. Under 1.8 seconds is ideal. LCP, largest contentful paint, is the main content load time. Google recommends under 2.5 seconds for fast loading. Speed index shows how quickly the visible part of your page loads. Lower values indicate faster perceived loading. CLS, cumulative layout shift, measures layout stability. A score below 0.1 is considered good and keeps your page stable. TBD, total blocking time, shows how long your site is unresponsive due to heavy scripts. Less than 300 milliseconds is optimal. IMP interaction to next paint tells how fast your site reacts to clicks or taps. Under 200 milliseconds gives a smooth user experience. TDFB, time to first byte, measures server response speed. A value under 800 milliseconds is good for fast performance. Website speed isn't something you set and forget. It changes all the time. Every plugin update, design tweak, hosting change, or new content addition can affect how fast your site loads. That's why it's a good idea to check your website speed at least once a month, and always after any major updates. Regular monitoring helps you catch problems early and prevents unexpected drops in your rankings.